Welcome, today I am with iPad mini 2021 and I will show you how you can connect to the Wi-Fi network. So first you have to open the settings, next you have to go for the Wi-Fi, and as you can see I'm currently connected with TP-Link P4 network. If you want to switch and connect for another one, for example I'm going to pick Zenfone 7 Pro, you have to click on it once and then input your new password. Your current password. And when you make it, you have to click join. And after a few moments, we will be successfully connected, as you can see. So, take a look. We can open, for example, YouTube. And as you can see, right now we are online. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.